Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add transitions in Google Slides. So first, choose a slide that you want to add transition to. So I will choose the second one and then go right here to transition. So click change transition. Then here you have slide transition and press this one, drop down menu, and choose the transition that you want. So it is dissolve, fade, slide from right, slide from left, flip, cube, or gallery. So I will do fade. Here you can change the speed, so you can make it, for example, 3 seconds long, and you can apply it to all slides if you want. If you want a different animation on different slides, just go over to that slide and change this animation, simply as that. So right now I will show you how it looks, simply like this. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.